Oh, wow. Wow, what?
Recording? That's cool. That's awesome. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Oh,
What's up, guys? What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm out here at the park with my son, and we got this little Gravedigger toy. It's got the styrofoam tires and the Gravedigger body, and it's a little monster truck, and I put my GoPro on it. And we're gonna take turns driving it and take turns filming and just have some fun. I also brought that ramp back there, so we may try to jump it a few times and see how it does. What do you think, Jacob? Are we gonna have fun? That's my son, guys. By the way, that's Jacob. That's my son.
Hi.
You guys haven't seen him. The last time he was on the channel was when I was around 260 subs. So, what do you got to say to him, Jacob? Tell all my subscribers hi. I got over 1,000 of them now.
Yeah, he has over 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
It's great.
Tell him hi. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my son. He's 9. He loves video games, and I love to be outdoors, so we don't do a whole lot. But today we're gonna play with this truck, and maybe in the future we'll do some fishing. Here we go, guys. Let's have some fun. Is it fun, Jacob? Cool. Let's see if we can't find some kind of jump or something. You want to walk to those ones?
Yeah.
All right, let's walk up to those ones.
Do I have to?
Yeah.
drive it?
yeah.
Huh? Yeah, it is. make it up there though.
For it. Oh, wow. I thought it would at least have enough speed to make it up there. Or it won't make it up there, huh?
Nope. Unless we pushed up there.
Maybe it's dead already.
No, it's not.
I think it might be. Can you get it going if you get a running start?
I don't know. Probably.
All right, guys. That's a challenge now. I got to put more power in this thing so it can actually put a bigger motor. All right, guys. This Gravedigger truck wasn't near as impressive as I thought it was going to be. We still had fun. He's still enjoying it. It's better on the pavement. It doesn't do very good in the grass. So I'm going to figure out a way to upgrade it to make it a little more faster where it'll at least climb hills and rocks and stuff. But we also brought this little boat with us. So now we're going to finish playing with this, and I'm sure you guys have seen enough of it. So we're going to bring out that little boat here at this little pond and play around, have some fun. So here you go. Check out this boat footage. Let us know what you think down in the comments. You didn't turn it on yet, did you? No. Okay. We don't need it yet. I'm getting ready. Yeah, it should be on. I think it probably has a sensor that don't let it come on until it's in water.
Well, can I at least try the lights and see if it works?
Yeah, I guess.
Is there any lights? It's gonna record you walking.
You stay over there.
Okay.
Well, try to get further away. Don't try to stay away from that camera. Recording?
That's cool. That's awesome. You recording?
Mhm.
Cool. Oh, this is so cool. I wish I had that little Insta camera.
I came into the muck. No. I didn't want to get in the muck.
Come over here with me and record for a little bit.
I like that little Texas flag.
Your turn.
Okay. Stop. Can I do donuts?
No, it might drown it. It's fun, huh? I can't wait to try that jet ski. I got a little jet ski too.
Oh, that's cool. What, did you bring that?
No. I haven't even opened it. Remember I said don't go full throttle backwards, son. Gently throttle backwards.
That's what I did.
You can go full throttle forwards, just be careful, do it gently when you go backwards. You can skirt the outside edges of the fountain, just don't go through the heavy parts of it. Okay?
I'm gonna go walk over with him.
You filming it good, son? You get that shot? You don't want to get right on it. There you go. You want to be able to see it. Take the rock. This is the color. If you go through the edges of it, son, try to do it fast, you know, just glance through it real quick. Come zoom by the camera for me. Zoom past the camera for me. Yeah, there we go. Oh, good, hey. Yeah, there we go. Do that a few times so I can get a good shot. Yeah, that was cool. Perfect, son.
Got it.
Ooh. Oh, no.
Want to stop recording?
Yeah. Perfect, buddy, perfect. You gave me an awesome shot. Oh, don't get caught up in there. Don't you drown my boat. Heck yeah, buddy. I even got it zoomed in right now too.
Zoomed all the way in?
Yeah, on 2. You gotta hold it real steady when it's like that, but you can get some close-up shots. Watch, here we go. Yeah! You having fun, buddy? Cool. We don't have much fun together, do we? Oh, you stuck it in the side of the dirt. I should have filmed that. You had it stuck in the clay right there.
Let's go back over this way. Oh, I wasn't paying attention.
Next time we do this, we'll have to bring the boat and the jet ski. That'll be fun, huh? Then we could both have one to play with. We could just put that chest mount thing on you and put one on a tripod and put one camera on your chest on that strap thing I have. Remember the thing I said I forgot to bring? Yeah, I have a thing you can wear on your chest that holds the GoPro on it. I think I have 2 of them. I have another one that clips on your hat. All right, guys, we're having a blast, but I think we're gonna end the video. All right, guys, the boat's dying and the Gravedigger monster truck needs upgrades. It needs a little more power. Anyway, that's gonna end the video. The video, I'm sure, is getting pretty long anyway. This is me and my son's day out, playing with a boat and the Gravedigger, and we hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know what you think in the comments, and my son will be saying hi to all you guys down there, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you're new. Later, guys. Tell them bye, son.
Bye.
Bye.